In this video, I want to show you how to get your product links for Amazon affiliate. So if you're an affiliate with Amazon and you want to get your product links, this video is going to show you the different ways that you can generate your product affiliate links or your affiliate links for any of the products that you want to promote inside of Amazon. So the first step is to log into Amazon.com. So you are logging in with the detail you use to create the Amazon Associate account. So the moment you log in, you are going to see this Amazon Associate site stripe. So this is what makes it easy for you to generate links for any product that you want to affiliate. So first, if you come to this platform, you are going to see a lot of the products on Amazon. But let's say you want to find a specific product and generate an affiliate link for it. This is how you should go about it. You can come here and look for these specific products through the category, or you can just come here and search for it. Let's say we want to search for a hockey whatever. So if you come here and then you start typing, you are going to see suggestions that Amazon is going to show you based on what other persons have been searching on Amazon. So you can see right here, say hockey tape, hockey blah blah blah. This will be different depending on what you are searching for. So let's look at this hockey water bottle. So when you open it, Amazon is going to give you the options they have for this hockey water bottle. And then you are going to scroll through to find the one you like. Let's say you have a particular brand in mind. You can come right here where they have brands. I don't know if water bottles have brands, but somewhere here you can find, okay, yeah, you have brands. Let's say we want to look at just thermos. You can just select just thermos, and then it's going to show you the water bottles just from thermos. So from here, it doesn't look like thermos. It doesn't look like they have a lot of water bottles here. So you just have to keep it broad and check it so it's big enough. And the moment you find the product you are looking for, all you have to do is just click on that product itself, all right, and then click on test, generate link right here. So when you click on that test, it's going to generate a test link for you. This is just a regular test link, and then this is a product affiliate link. So anybody that buys this product using this link, you will be earning the commission for this. So if you want a full link, you can just come here and say full link, and then you get this full link. This full link is usually very spammy, so you don't need it. Everybody prefers the short link, so you can use the short link. And this is one of the ways you can get your affiliate link, your product affiliate link inside of Amazon. The second method is, after finding this product, you want to generate an image link. So you don't want to have a link, you just want this link to be embedded in an image. You can just come here where it says image, and then you generate the size of the image you want. If you want it to be a small image, you want it to be a large image or a medium image, and then all you have to do is copy this link. Because this is an image, you need somewhere to paste it on. So this has to be like your website or anywhere that you can post this code, HTML code. All you have to do is copy it and paste it right there. And even though it's now a picture, it still has your link embedded. So whenever somebody clicks on that picture, it takes them to your affiliate link. So the third method is to generate a text plus picture. So you want your affiliate link to be this way. So it has a button, it shows them where they are shopping it, what they are buying, and then the name of it and the price. So it's the same thing, you just copy this link and then you go and paste it. This is a HTML code again. You have to go and paste it right there. But what if you want to generate like a bulk link? You don't want to be generating everything one after the other. So the moment you have this full category this way, you just come to generate link right here, and then this becomes your link to any of these products here. So let me just copy that and show you what I'm saying. So I copy it and then I go to another window and then let's paste this right there. And then I hit enter. So you can see this is what we just looked for. This is what we just looked for, and it is now our product affiliate link. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like this video and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.